Dear students, welcome to Study Bus, your online study channel. This video is about English activity. The topic is common noun and proper noun. Let's have the overview. The subject is English. The topic is common noun and proper noun. The description which we have to follow while doing this activity is: make a flip book using any available papers with you. Tie satin ribbons at the edge to make a book. Draw pictures of 5 common nouns and proper noun each and label them. Make 2 sentences on each common and proper noun in the book. So in this activity we have to stick images, or we can also draw them on papers. There should be 5 images for common nouns and 5 images for proper noun. That means there will be 10 images in total with 20 sentences, like 2 sentences on each example. Let's see how we can do this. In this activity, I have used A4 sheet paper with sketch pens. This is the homework for grade 2 students, where they have to make a flip book using 5 examples for common noun and proper noun, and using images or by drawing. So I have made this with A4 sheet. On the first page I have written the student details. On the second page I have written the types of noun. This is the topic. And on third page I have written the detailed information about the topic, that is common noun and proper noun. So from here the example starts. The common noun, as I have already made a video on common noun versus proper noun. So here I'm going to again discuss. The common noun is a general name for people, place, animal and thing. So ball is a common noun, which is a thing. And on the left side I have written 2 sentences about ball. So our next example is frog. The image is here and sentences are also given. The next example is flower. This is the third example. I have stick images and written sentences. The fourth example is butterfly. This is also a common noun, and balloon. So here we have completed the common noun. Now we will start about proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is a special name for any people, person, place or thing. So India Gate, this is a war memorial in India. So this comes under proper noun. The next one is sun. Sun is also a proper noun. And next, S.H. Raza. He is an Indian painter. The fourth example is Horlicks. This is a brand for health drink. And the last example, this is the fifth example for proper noun. This is September, which is a month of year. So like this, you can also make your flip book. And I have used A4 sheet and images from old books. And if you have images you can stick, and if you want you can draw. You can also use colorful paper. I have given margin also, and like this it can be made. So, and one more thing, there's one more instruction given that we have to use satin ribbon, but as it is not available with me right now, so you can use it, and you can bind it from the middle of the flip book and tying it on the upper side of the book. Hope this video is helpful, and you can use your own creativity and own material.